Hello, good day friends. Welcome. In today's video I'm here to show you guys a new quantitative platform. As you can see, this is a live trading account. Now cumulatively, this is what I'll be earning in the next 7 days. I'll be earning approximately 70,000 in naira. Now if you're outside the country, what you should be earning the next 7 days should be around 42 USDT. So quickly let me show you guys how to get started. Mine, what I do here is to give you guys updates that you can actually earn from. Yours is to just ape in as quick as possible. So quickly, how do you get started on this platform? All you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video. Then the next thing you are going to do is going to bring you to this interface, and then you sign up with your email. You are just going to sign up with your email, then you input a password, and then you re-enter the password. Or you come here and register with an email with your phone number, then you tap on this icon here, and then you look for your country code, and then you sign up with it. Then the next thing for me to do is I'm going to sign in right now immediately, because I already have an account with this platform. Now this platform was just newly launched today that I'm making this video. So at the end of the day, I'm going to be showing you guys a cumulative earning on my Telegram channel. Please make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. So the next thing for me to do, I'm going to sign in. In this video, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from this platform immediately. Now quickly, once you are logged in on this platform, you are just going to see all these details. You can read through it. Now primarily, let me show you guys how this is done. Now first off, when you come here, you are just going to see there are different levels of upgrade here. Now what you are doing here is that you'll be earning USDT, and I'm going to do a tutorial guide live as you are seeing this video right now. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe so you stay connected, because I drop earning updates on a daily basis. So now we have the VIP 1 and then we have the VIP 2. For me, what I'm doing is that I'm going for the VIP 2, which costs me around 25 USDT, and this is what I'm going to be earning. So let me just quickly tap on complete. You can see I'll be earning 6.21 USDT on a daily basis. So multiply 6.21 USDT. Now this is actually a free mission, so it's going to give me about 0.61 cents. So let me know, once you ape in into this platform, let me know if you actually got this free cent, because I got it. Now you can see this is actually completed. The next thing for me to do is to actually place withdrawal. Now after I place withdrawal, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can also recharge on this platform, but I want to place withdrawal so you can actually see. So you can see what I'm earning on a daily basis is going to be 6.82 USDT. So first off, let me quickly copy my BEP20 wallet address. So once I copy it immediately, I'm going to show you guys a run through on how you can actually recharge for yourself right here. So quickly, let me just impute my BEP20 wallet address. I paste it, and the next thing for me to do, I'm taking out 6.82. So let me put the first stop here, 6.82 USDT. Now please make sure once you register with your login. You impute a login password. Now that login password, that's what you are going to make use of when you want to place withdrawal. So quickly, the next thing for me to do is to impute my login password, and then this is it. So you can see my withdrawal is actually successful. I'm going to go back to that wallet and show you guys that the money has actually arrived. Now this is the next thing for you to do right now. Let me give you guys a basic guide. Let me not be in too much rush. Now once you come here, you are going to discover there is recharge. Now for you, if you want to quickly make profits as much as I make profits, now this is actually a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to show you guys the things I do in the cryptocurrency space and how I earn on a daily basis. Now we are currently in a bearish market, and there are different ways for you to actually earn in the Web3 space and cryptocurrency. My duty here is to push out those ideas, and it's really for you to actually give it a try and you can earn. So now for me, like I said, I made use of what VIP 2, which is giving me a daily earning of 6.8 USDT on a daily basis. Now for you, you can decide, okay, you want to make use of a VIP 1. Now VIP 1 is going to cost you around 11 USDT. We have different upgrade. For me, I'm just actually showing you guys these steps. I might later on go and actually increase my own upgrade. So but for you, I can advise, depending on the amount you have, that you can have the ability to you ape in with it. Now that's why I said you should actually look on these details, so you can know the VIP level that you're upgrading for. If you can see, VIP 2 gave me 6.8, so I believe VIP 3 is going to double it, and my target is around 7 days to make massive profit. So you can imagine, if I'm earning 25 USD, if I'm earning 6.8 USDT in the next 3 days, I've gotten my capital back, and in the next other 3 days, in 7 days, I've gotten ×2. That's 2x of my investment. So the next thing for me to do is to show you guys how to recharge. How do you recharge? Right here, once you tap on recharge here, you are going to see this detail. You can actually recharge making use of USD USDT BEP20 wallet address and you copy it, or you come here and make use of your Tron. You can see there are different options for you to recharge here, so make sure you make use of any of them, and please make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can actually get onboarded on different Web3 projects and not miss out of any of them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure what you like, you comment, and you subscribe. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me. I'll be there to guide you in the comment section. Guys, like I said, our withdrawal is confirmed. Let me just tap on it here so you can see that it has actually arrived on this account. So guys, like I said earlier on, my target is in the next 7 days for me to get a good 2x of my ROI. Please make sure what you comment, you like, and subscribe, and stay connected. Love you guys.